I decided to drop off some lunch for my best friend today. Watch me cook chicken souvlaki. If you're Canadian, then you know Jimmy the Greek goes hard. But this is so much better because it's my recipe to start off by marinating the chicken. My love language is cooking for people, so if I cook for you, then just know I like you, otherwise ain't nobody got time for that. Marinate the chicken for 1 hour or overnight. Now prepare the lemon garlic potatoes, such an easy side dish. When I was younger, my mom would ask me to get red potatoes, but I used to get the wrong ones cause I didn't understand the difference. I still don't know the difference. Bake this for 1.5 hours. Look how beautiful those potatoes are. Moi chef's kiss. Something about poking a stick through chicken feels oddly satisfying. Grill the chicken till cooked or burn it so your friends stop asking you to make them food. Just kidding, I love my friends, just hate them when they don't support my bad decisions. Like, what do you mean I can't stalk my crush outside his house? Anyways, I served this with homemade tzatziki sauce, cumin rice, and a simple garden salad. Comment below if you'd like the recipe. Okay, bye.